Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to use a PS4 controller on PUBG Mobile Android. First, ensure your Android device's Bluetooth is enabled. Then, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes rapidly. On your Android device, navigate to Bluetooth settings and select wireless controller from the available devices to complete the connection. This initial step is crucial for establishing communication between your controller and phone. Once paired, you'll discover that PUBG Mobile doesn't offer native support for PlayStation 4 controllers directly within the game. To overcome this, you'll need a reliable third-party keymapper application. These specialized apps act as an intermediary, allowing you to assign your controller's physical buttons to specific on-screen touch controls in PUBG Mobile. This mapping is essential for translating your controller inputs into actions the game understands, enabling you to play with greater precision and comfort. Several excellent keymapper applications are available, such as Octopus, Panda Gamepad Pro, or Mantis Gamepad Pro. After downloading your chosen app, follow its on-screen instructions to grant necessary permissions, particularly accessibility services, which allow the app to overlay controls. Within the keymapper, you'll drag and drop virtual button icons onto the corresponding touch controls in PUBG Mobile's interface. Take your time to accurately calibrate each button for optimal responsiveness and a seamless gaming experience. After setting up your controls, it's highly recommended to fine-tune your in-game sensitivity settings within PUBG Mobile. Experiment with different values to find what feels most comfortable and responsive for your playstyle. Spend some time in the training mode to practice your movements, aiming, and shooting with the new controller setup. Finally, always ensure your Android device is fully charged or connected to power for uninterrupted and extended gaming sessions, preventing any mid-game power-offs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.